algorithms and flowcharts. Learning about the algorithms and flowcharts. Hello friends. Consider this. If your mother were to give you step-by-step instructions to make a jam sandwich, it would probably be in this sequence. Take to be carried out. Make a jam sandwich. Take 2 slices of bread, butter and a bottle of jam. Trim the edges of the bread slices. Apply butter on the bread slices. Apply jam on the bread slices. Place the 2 slices together and the sandwich is ready. For you to carry out the instructions, your mother would have to take care that she writes the instructions in a language you understand. The instructions are correct. The instructions are in the right order. Similarly, a computer is a machine that needs instructions to carry out any job. The computer will follow these instructions step by step to obtain the output. However, the computer is a machine and cannot understand the languages we use in our day-to-day life. So, instructions are given to the computer using programming languages like Logo, Basic, and C++. A program is a set of instructions that you give to a computer in the language it can understand. This language is called a programming language. A programming language is a language which is used to give instructions to the computer. The first step in generating a computer program is to understand the problem and write the steps required to be done in the correct order. Algorithms. An algorithm is a tool which helps you to understand a problem better and determine the sequence of the steps needed to solve it. An algorithm is written in simple English language. A well-written algorithm leads to a good program. Let us write an algorithm to add 2 and 5. Objective: to add 2 and 5. 1. Take 2 numbers 2 and 5. 2. Add the 2 numbers 2 plus 5. 3. Display the results of addition 7. 4. End. An algorithm is a series of activities required to be carried out to solve a problem. We can make this algorithm a general one by representing the numbers by alphabets A and B. Objective: to add 2 numbers. 1. Take 2 numbers, say A and B. 2. Sum is equal to A plus B. 3. Display sum. 4. End. Now we'll move to flowchart. A flowchart is a pictorial representation of an algorithm. A flowchart makes it easy to understand the flow of activities carried out to achieve a certain goal. Flowcharts are drawn by using a set of symbols. These symbols represent various actions and decisions. Connecting arrows show the flow of control between the symbols. The different symbols and their descriptions are listed in the table. Start or stop. The symbol is the description used to signal the start and end of the flowchart. Input or output box. The symbol is The description is used to accept the input and display the output. Process box. The symbol is, and the description is used to display processing. Decision box. The symbol is, and the description is used when yes or no decisions have to be taken. Flow lines. The symbol is, and the description used to show the flow of control in the flowchart. Connectors. The symbol is, and the description used to connect different sections of a flowchart. Consider the algorithm we wrote for adding two numbers. Let us draw a flowchart for it. Write an algorithm and draw the flowchart for the following. To input two numbers and print the larger number. Objective. To print the larger of two numbers, step 1 is input numbers A, B. Step 2. Is A greater than B? If yes, print A. Else, print B. Step 3. Stop. Summary. We have learned about the algorithms and flowchart.